So for this expander is a 580 diameter part, typically used in aero relay engine equipment, with very strict requirement for the precision and also the metal performance. Under traditional methodology, even for small batch production, it will involve significant time and money to be invested in the development cycle, especially developing the dedicated mode. But now with SLA technology for this project, we successfully print our customer and they break down all the model into 46 components, and they build all these 46 components in just 26 hours and 30 minutes with the layer thickness of 0.1. This case tells the story of TechCast, a company focused on our advanced manufacturing solution and how they help their clients through the pumps to tackle impossible tasks. While Suzer Pump is their client, they need to develop a complex 300-point casting from concept to completion in just 4 weeks. This was an extremely challenging and timeline that traditional mold development could never be able to meet the time allowance. And TechCast Solutions decided to adopt our solution and to accelerate all the production of the complex investment casting project. So without the UnionTech solution, they have to reject this project. But now with the UnionTech SLA technology, it enabled them to save the project for the customer and have the customer resolve the problem and complete it in 4 weeks. And this is another very unique advantage for adopting and embracing additive manufacturing for investment casting. It's not intended to replace traditional molding, but it adds us another value-add tools to win more order and to handle some of the order which is impossible before.